Jet JMD 18350,000 and 18230 volt 1-phase milling/drilling machine. Milling and drilling machine product grouping: mill/drill machines, mill/drill machine, swing 15-7/8 inches, drilling capacity steel 1-1/4 inches, and milling capacity 3/4 inches, face milling capacity 3 inches, motor HP 120/240, table work surface 9-1/2 x 32-1/4 inches, includes angle vise, longitudinal travel 20-1/2 inches, cross travel 6-1/2 inches, 26. 0/13. 0 amps, motor type TEFC, all listed, 1 phase, 60 Hz, 150 to 3000 RPM, chuck size 1/2 inch, spindle R8, spindle taper R8, spindle speed 150 to 3000 RPM.